Frick-a-dick, frick-a-dick, frick-a-dick. Damn it. Got this on my shirt. Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. My name's Roxanne and welcome to my channel. If you are not new, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you clicking on the video. So today I have a super exciting video for you guys. I feel like all I've been posting lately on my channel is hauls and giveaways, so I kind of wanted to steer a little bit from that and talk to you guys about some new NYX products that I found in Ulta the other day. So I guess it's kind of a little bit of a haul, but not really, because I wanted to share them with you so that if you're interested you could go pick them up, because NYX is a really inexpensive brand and it's sold at Ulta. It's sold at most retailers I think now. I'm not sure if you can find these specific products anywhere other than Ulta, but I thought they were really cool, especially for like the festival season, or like the music festivals and everything that's coming up. So I purchased them just to show you guys, and I thought I would swatch them on my channel with you, tell you my thoughts, my first impressions. I have only tried one of the products. I haven't really tried the eye products that I bought, but I did try the one of the skin products I'm going to talk to you guys about. So I can give you a little bit about of my thoughts. But if you guys are interested to see what new products I picked up from NYX, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already. I would really appreciate you becoming a part of the Edgy fam. That would mean so much to me. And give me a thumbs up letting me know you like the fact that I posted something different on my channel. Leave me a comment down below, you guys, if you have seen these products at your Ulta, if you've tried them. Let me know your thoughts. If you guys have not seen my giveaway video yet, I will go ahead and link that right here. I'm actually hosting 2 giveaways at the moment. I am hosting a 2K giveaway for when I hit 2,000 subscribers, and I'm also hosting a weekly giveaway all about highlighters. I have some new products from NYX for you guys. They're all about the Halo Glow, or the Halo line, whatever it may be. And they are super, super pretty for the festival season, glowing your skin, whatever you want to do with them. They're just super awesome for this time of the year where it's spring and summer and we all just want to look glowy and beautiful. Okay, so these are the new products that just came out at Ulta. We have some Strobe Creams, we have a liquid booster, and then we have some liquid eyeshadows. I have tried the Strobe Cream. I did wear this one today, and this is in the shade Bright Star. I'm going to talk about this guy in a little bit, but I can say I will be doing a drugstore poop or high-end dupe on this bad boy, comparing it to the MAC Strobe Cream, so make sure that you stay tuned for that as well. Right, so first things first, we will go ahead and start with this guy since I only purchased one. There are 2 other shades that I wasn't able to get because these are $16.99. So $17 times 3, that's a pretty penny. It's almost 60 bucks. Okay, so this is what it looks like on Ulta's website. Let me just go ahead and show you guys the other shades as well. Okay, so there's this one, which is Zoned Out. This shade right here. That is the color. Oops. That's the color they have. It's kind of a bluishy undertone to it. I mean, it's got a really, really pretty undertone. I'm just not into that. I won't personally wear it. So this one is explained as a white base with duochromatic pearl. So that's pretty. And again, that's Zoned Out. And then this one right here is the other one that I didn't purchase. This one is the color, or the shade Snatched. So this one has the more of like a pinkishy purple undertone. It's really pretty, but I just don't feel like that is like good for my skin tone. And that one is explained as a rose base with blue gold pearl. So the one that I purchased is called Glazed Donuts. It's a super cute name, and it's a warm champagne, and I love like champagne colors. It says, skin feeling a little blah these days, craving the luminous glow of summer and a hint of dimensional color? We got you. The NYX Professional Makeup Away We Glow Liquid Booster enhances your skin with a gorgeous buildable glow or a shimmering sun-kissed finish. The final look is up to you. So again, these retail for $16.99. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch this together. I haven't really swatched it other than in the store. And you are supposed to mix this in with the drops or the foundation, the custom drops. I think what is it called? I can't remember what their foundation is called, but I don't have that foundation. I'm not a huge fan of that, so I'm just going to put this as a highlighter or whatever. but it comes on a dropper. And the good thing about droppers is that you can put it in like any foundation you want. And so it just is on a dropper. It's not super oily, which sometimes, you know, things like this can be. I'm wondering, you guys, if these are a dupe for like Cover FX custom enhanced drops or whatever. So this right here is what it looks like, kind of swatched out. It is a really pretty, like, I could almost see that as like a full-on highlighter. I mean, you guys can see like a shimmer. I really like this, and I'm really excited to use this like in a foundation or maybe just even as a highlighter. So there's that without it swatched, but it is really, really, really pretty. I mean, do you guys see the sheen? Like, that is beautiful. So on the back of the box, it just has pictures. Get lit with the Way We Glow Liquid Booster, our light reflecting drop formula that's all about boosting your complexion with an illuminating glow or sun-kissed tint. The more drops you use, the more intense the effect. I don't know, maybe the more you add, the bigger the effect is going to be, or the more highlighty you're going to look. And I just think for $16.99, a liquid illuminator that's a good quality like NYX is, I feel like that's a really great deal. So I got the Way We Glow Strobing Creams. They've got the color Glow Teeny and Bright Star. This is what they look like. I really did think about doing my drugstore poop or high-end dupe video with these. I was like, you know what? I bet you those are dupes for MAC Strobe Creams. Okay, so these retail for $16, so they're almost as much as the other guy. And we purchased both shades. So it says, got a soft spot for all that sparkles. We are definitely here for it. Enriched with superfine light catching pearls, our Way We Glow Strobing Cream both moisturizes and luminizes your skin in one simple step. This lightweight formula comes in gold and pink pearl infused versions that provide hydration with a radiant finish. Dab it on to prep your complexion for makeup application or wear alone for a fresh glow that looks super pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you and then tell you guys my thoughts, because I have tried this guy. So they come in a pump, which is amazing. I love that they come in a pump and not, like, they're still in a squeezy too, but I love that it's a pump. Okay, so this is the shade Bright Star. And that's what it looks like just squeezed onto my hand. It looks exactly like the Strobe Cream. You guys, I'm telling you, you have to stay tuned for my video on the drugstore dupe, or the drugstore poop or high-end dupe, because I will go to town with these. And then this is what it looks like blended out. And yes, that is what it looks like on your actual skin. When I put this on today, I was like, whoa, Nelly. I look like a freaking marshmallow. But that right there is what this color looks like blended out. It is really pretty, but it is very, very, very glittery. I like it. It's definitely an illuminator. Yeah, it definitely has that pearl essence to it. I mean, I don't mind that, you know. I really don't mind the pearl essence. So let's go ahead and open this other one, which I have not swatched at all. I didn't even swatch this one in the store because they didn't have any testers. Okay, so this one is in the shade Glow Teeny. It's just this little pinky pearly one. Let's do it, I don't know, we'll do it on the back. Woo! Okay, so it looks pretty similar to that first one. It's still like that white base. Holy moly. Really, you guys, like a little goes a long way of these, I'm telling you. I put so much on this morning, I looked like a freaking disco ball. So that is the Glow Teeny, and you guys, look at that. I mean, oh, those are so pretty. That's it kind of dried down a little bit. I mean, not that they, you know, dried down, but that is that color right there. I mean, I love the feel. It definitely feels exactly like Strobe Cream. So pretty. Do you guys see that, like, pearl? So the pros to these that I've tried are definitely that they are very hydrating. Very pigmented. That's kind of a pro and a con. And they make my skin feel so luminous and dewy. I love that feeling. But the con is kind of all that as well. That they are a little overbearing. The scent isn't bad. I mean, a lot of NYX products do smell like plastic, in my opinion. This is not overbearing. I mean, it is a really pretty strobe cream and it's half the price. I think MAC strobe cream is $32 for the normal, the public. If I could find that these are dupe, I would definitely put these in my kit rather than the strobe cream if they're the same thing. I mean, if you can't tell a difference, why not? I mean, God, I'm just looking at this one right now. Look at that sheen. Holy crap. I love that. I love it. Love it. Okay. Now time for the eyeshadows. So there are 5 of these and I got all of the shades because they were only $7.99. I'm going to try these out in a future video, so make sure you stay tuned for it because I'm going to be doing a tutorial with these. It says obsessed with all things holographic. The limited edition NYX Professional Makeup Holographic Halo Eye Tint comes in several pearly shades that will leave your lids looking lit as ever. Oh, that's cute. Each ultra lightweight hue glides right on and gives you enough time to play before it dries down to a glimmering finish. So I'm excited for that because I freaking love liquid shadows. Let's start with number 1. So this is called Gold Bar. It is explained as a pure gold. So this is Gold Bar. It is legit like a true yellow. I mean, look at that, you guys. It is a yellow. They come on a doe foot as all of NYX like products like this do. All right, are you ready? Oh my God. Look at that yellow. Look at it. Oh, so pretty. So that is Gold Bar. You guys, I am telling you, can you imagine like that on the lid? Stunning. So that right there is Gold Bar. Yeah, so this is number 2. It's called, or the shade's called Fairy Dust, and it's explained as a light taupe. So I love me some taupey shades. I literally have like NYX juices all over me. So that is the color there. I think this one is going to be really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. That's like a true champagne. Oh, not even. That's like a pink with like freaking green undertones. Holy moly. So this right here is the shade Fairy Dust. Right there. You guys, it's not even doing it justice, but it's a pink with like a green. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. All right, number 3 is Wild Orchid. That is this shade right here. Why do makeup companies make their products so hard to open? This is Wild Orchid. That's gross. Oh, that's literally like a true purple. You have to swatch them a few times, you guys, but I mean, they're really, really pretty. It looks like they would be really sheer on the eye. You definitely have to build them up. I mean, unless they dry down better. But that right there is Wild Orchid. Right there. That is really, really pretty. Okay, number 4 is called Galaxy Glow. It's explained as a light bronze. But you guys know me, I'm all about the bronzes. Like all about the Joneses, you know? Never mind, you guys are probably too young. Alright, here we go. So this one, yeah, it's explained as a light bronze. I don't know if you guys can even see when I'm swatching them like that, but I just kind of want to show you like the effect, you know, that happens on my arm. As these dry down, they get a ton prettier. Okay, so this one is the Galaxy Glow. It's definitely bronze. I mean, that's really, really pretty. Can you guys see yourselves like wearing these for a festival? I probably can. And then last but not least is this blue one. It's called Acid Blue, which is explained as Periwinkle. I will be using all of these products. I really, really want to try them out. Okay. That's a blue, all right. And it's definitely Periwinkle. As these dry down, they're like prettier and prettier. All right, so this is Acid Blue. Definitely has like a little purpley undertone. There is Acid Blue. Okay, you guys, so those are all of the products I picked up at NYX in their new Holographic Halo-Graphic line. I thought they were really interesting. I really wanted to try them because I'm all about like the shimmer, obviously. I just think that they are beautiful as far as like the shades, the swatches. I really like how these are drying down. They're very, very like non-sticky. And I like that about liquid shadows. I'm interested to see how these perform on the lids because I'm wondering if they're going to crease or if they're going to be hard to work with, if they're going to transfer. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the tutorial of me trying all of this stuff. But yeah, that's all I have, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you check out those giveaway videos and that you subscribe down below. Oh, by the way, I do have a bunch of stuff that I purchased at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I would love to do a TJ Maxx haul. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that because I don't want to post it if you guys don't want to see it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate it. You all are wonderful, and I appreciate you all. Take care and take care of each other, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!